Okay everyone, in this video I will share to all of you about how to make mini swimming pool with a double elevation. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with rotated rectangle. You can click the rotated rectangle, then you can place the point here, and then you can type the width of the swimming pool. It's around 6 meter. Okay, it's around 6 meter, and then you can track for the length of the swimming pool. It's around of 15 millimeter, or maybe it's about okay 15 millimeter or 15 meter. Sorry. Okay, so you have to push it up. You have to push it up around 500 millimeter, and then you can divide into the two surface. You can click this line. You can click this line, and then you can select a move, and then you can click to this point, and then you can place to the point here. Actually, this is for the divide for the first elevation, and this is for the second elevation. And then you can move it again right here. You can move on or right here. You can move to the right side. It's around 1.5 meter. Okay, so you can push it down. You can push it down. Click this push, and then you can push it down around 300 meter. Okay, or you can click this plane, and then you can push it down again. You can push it down again around 500 meter, 500 millimeter. Okay, so you can push it down again around 500 millimeter. Okay, so you can draw the line. Start from here until this position, and then you can click this surface to push it until the limit. Okay, so you can get the double elevation of the of this base of this swimming pool. If you feel it to um, height, you can move this line. You can move this line, select a move, and move on this position, and then you can move to this position also. So you can get the lower inclination between the first elevation and the second elevation. Okay, so you can triple click and right click and make group, and then you can draw the rectangle, start from this point until this point, or you can direct to this edge, and then you can uh, press shift, then you can direct to this point, and then click. Okay, so you can get this plane, and then you can click this plane and offset it outside around 300 millimeter, and then you can click, right click and erase. So you can click this one and then push it down. Okay, you can push it until the limit. Okay, so you can click and push. You can push until around 1 meter or 1.1 meter and enter. Okay, this is about the first elevation for swimming pool, and this is for the second elevation for the swimming pool. The second elevation of the swimming pool is around 1.9. So I will show you about the dimension. You can see I click this dimension, okay, and I click this dimension. So this is the first elevation, and this is the first elevation. So you can get this one. Then you can triple click, right click, and make group. And then you can make the full deck with a rectangle. Start from this point and direction to the diagonal. Then you can click this plane, and then you can offset it outside around 2 meter. Okay, this one. Then you can click and right click and erase. So you can push it a little bit down and triple click, right click, and make group. And you can also draw the boundaries of every single corner with line over there. You can draw this. Okay, you can draw this one by one. Okay, so you can add the material of the pool deck with this surface. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. You can click this one. Okay, this one. Or you can make the better with this one. This siding, the siding of wood. And you can click the surface, right click and click texture. and position, and you can rotate this orientation, and then you can right click and texture and rotate the orientation. Okay, this one, and it's done. So you can assign with the you can assign the water. You can assign the water with using line. Then you can click this point. You can click this point. Then you can click this point. Click this point. Then you can click this point. Then you can continue until you can close this plane. Then you can get the plane. Then you can push it until the position. Click and triple click, right click and make group. And then you can select water, and then you can select on this pool, and also you can make the material with a tile of the swimming pool with using the recommended material. For example, you can use this square glass tile. Then you can click this wall. Can click this one. Okay, you can click. Then you can click, and then you can click this floor. I'm sorry, you can click this floor, this lower floor. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can make a section, or you can make this boundaries of this swimming pool first, and then you can make the section with using a section plane. You can click this one, and then okay, and then you can click the section plane. Then you can select move and place on this position. Then you can unhide for the display section plane. Okay, so you will get it, and I suggest you to um, click this section. You can click this style, and then you can edit, and um, you can inactive this section plane. Sorry, you can inactive, so you can get the visualize of the section of the double section between the first section, and this is the second section, the first elevation, and this is the second elevation of the swimming pool. Okay, and okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in SketchUp. Thanks for watching and have a good day.